Kansas voters have not elected a Democratic U.S. Senator in 40 years. What advantage would there be in having a Democratic senator? First, we'd have a senator of the majority party. Remember, the majority party runs the Senate. Second, we'd have political balance, and we could no longer be taken for granted by either political party. Thus, with a senator from both parties, Kansas would play a greater role than it has in 40 years. Reason enough to elect Dr. Bill Roy, a respected voice for Kansas.